Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to equip gun on FreeFire Max. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your FreeFire Max game on your device. Start a game or enter a match. Now, once you land on the map, explore the buildings and areas to find weapons. Weapons are found inside a building, so go ahead and look for the weapons. Once you come across a weapon, simply go ahead and approach the weapon in order to pick it up. Your character will automatically pick up the weapon. Once you've picked up your weapon, you can now go ahead and play the game without any worries, since you've already picked up your favorite weapons along the way. Now you can start fighting your enemies. Also, make sure that you have sufficient ammunition for the gun that you would want to use or you've picked up recently. So that is how you can easily equip a gun on FreeFire Max. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.